So dangerous. Husband and wife working without PPE. No helmet, no safety shoes. This is the cargo bars here in Thailand. Only husband and wife working. It's too dangerous. No safety. Okay. What's these two stevedores? They will transfer the cargo bars using this crane. Oh my god. No safety. We have a pilot ladder, but they don't want to use the pilot ladder. They prefer to use this crane riding in this ship's crane. Too dangerous. Oh my god. Dangerous. Kailangan safely.